Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the Foundry agent service, how to build intelligent, tool-using AI agents on Azure. An AI agent is fundamentally different from a chatbot. While a chatbot responds to questions, an AI agent can autonomously pursue multi-step goals by reasoning about how to achieve them, using tools to take actions, and maintaining context across interactions. Agents have access to over 1,400 tools, can maintain persistent memory across sessions, and can reason through complex multi-step problems, capabilities that go far beyond simple question-and-answer interactions. The Foundry agent service provides hosted infrastructure for production agents. The core components are agent versions, which define the agent's model, system instructions, and tool configuration; conversations, which are multi-turn interaction sessions; the Responses API, which is the unified interface for all agent interactions; the tool catalog, with over 1,400 built-in and custom tools; and memory, which provides persistent context storage across conversations. The agent service handles hosting, scaling, and infrastructure. You focus on building. The built-in tool catalog is extensive. File search enables retrieval-augmented generation over uploaded documents with citation support. Code Interpreter executes Python code in a sandboxed environment. Bing Search provides real-time web search for up-to-date information. Azure AI Search connects to enterprise knowledge bases. Function calling enables custom API integrations via JSON schema. Fabric IQ connects to Microsoft Fabric data, and Work IQ provides access to Microsoft 365 content. Creating your first agent requires just a model, system instructions, and tools. The recommended process is choose a model. GPT 4.1 is recommended for production agents. Write system instructions that define the agent's role, persona, and constraints. Add tools from the built-in catalog or define custom functions. Test in the playground and iterate on instructions and tool configuration. Then deploy via the Responses API for production. In Python, this takes just a few lines of code using the Azure AI Projects SDK. Once your agent is ready, you can publish it to multiple targets. Microsoft 365 and BizChat let users interact with your agent in their daily productivity tools. Microsoft Teams integrates agents into team collaboration workflows. Azure Container Apps deploys agents as scalable containerized services. And agent-to-agent endpoints expose your agent for other agents to discover and call. In the next video, we'll cover multi-agent orchestration for building collaborative AI workflows. Thanks for watching.